Understanding, Lay Off the Pressure, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, lay off the pressure. This expression is widely used in both professional and personal settings. Understanding it will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you in communicating more effectively in English. So, let's get started. Lay off the pressure is an idiomatic expression that means to stop putting too much demand, stress, or expectation on someone or something. It's often used when someone feels overwhelmed or overburdened by pressures either from work, social expectations, or personal challenges. The phrase encourages a reduction of stress or demand to make a situation more manageable or comfortable. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work environment. My team has been working overtime for weeks. I think it's time we lay off the pressure and give them a well-deserved break. 2. In personal relationships. I know you want me to succeed, but you need to lay off the pressure. I'm doing the best I can. 3. Self-application. I've been pushing myself too hard to meet these unrealistic goals. I need to lay off the pressure and set more achievable targets. These examples show how the phrase can be used to communicate the need for easing stress or expectations across different contexts. Understanding the phrase, lay off the pressure, is crucial for several reasons. Empathy and support. It allows you to express empathy and support for someone who is feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Communication skills. It enhances your ability to communicate your own needs or concerns regarding stress and pressure effectively. Cultural nuance. It gives you insight into how English speakers commonly discuss stress and expectations, enriching your understanding of the language's cultural nuances. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, lay off the pressure. Remember, learning a language is not just about memorizing words and grammar. It's also about understanding the expressions that make communication more nuanced and effective. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to lay off the pressure on yourself as you learn. See you in the next video.